first high-tension distributor was developed in 1904. Distributors were used on GM vehicles through 2003. As in this example, a typical cap will have the ignition wires crisscrossing over the top of it. Some ignition wires on one side of the engine must reach to the opposite side of the cap. Due to the limited amount of room available in engine compartments, the latest distributor caps have a very unique and compact design. Instead of the wires crisscrossing over the top, they are connected to the side of the cap from each corresponding bank. To maintain the correct firing order, the wires must cross internally. This presents a potential early failure if the internal wires are not precisely formed and placed, or if voids are present in the plastic between them in these critical areas. Due to the precision necessary to build a modern distributor cap, Wells has incorporated a state-of-the-art wire form bender. This bender has a repeatable accuracy of 0.02 degrees of a circle. In spite of the high level of accuracy, we must still check samples every hour to stay ISO TS 16949 compliant. The wire audit procedure begins by placing the formed wire in a gauge, identical to its placement in the cap. All critical outside dimensions are also precisely measured with a micrometer. Before the plastic injection process begins, the wires are placed in another gauge to verify accuracy and to prevent any movement during the process. After the molding process is complete, every cap is once again tested, this time to ensure it is high voltage tight. Wells also utilizes a high-grade PET plastic, which has a dielectric strength of 750 volts per thousandth inch. This plastic must be a superior grade. It is the only barrier between the high voltage carrying wires inside the cap. Wells once again proves why we are the industry leader in engine management innovations and solutions.